Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm showing my Jurassic collection. Yep, my brother's here again. He is going to be in the video sometime. But Therizinosaurus we bring in this collection. I did open a present from Christmas because I saved a bunch, but just never opened them. So, Therizinosaurus, we've got Therizinosaurus himself. Yeah, I don't know who's boy and girl, so I'm just gonna call it. Well, I'm just gonna say Therizinosaurus. So, we have the Therizinosaurus. Oh, I can't see. There we go. Sorry guys, Therizinosaurus might have to be off camera. Yes, this is my little teddy T-Rex. He is the Jurassic King, but you guys aren't gonna. So you might like this if you like something that starts with G, guys. After I show my Jurassic collection, I will be doing 2 last battles. One of them is going to be Scorpius Rex and probably the young Tyrannosaurus, which is coming. Yeah. Yes, guys, if you're wondering where Tyrannosaurus is, he's in my toy box, but I haven't grabbed him yet. It's not even in here, so I will do another Jurassic collection video. Sorry guys, I don't want this video to take hours for you guys, so I'm not going to be looking. Oh yes, if I move all these guys for you, yes, T-Rex did kill something off camera. Yes, he did indeed. He killed the Cyanotyranus, which we will be bringing back. If you guys don't mind, young Tyrannosaurus has to lay down. I'll put the camera like this so you can properly see. Oh yeah, and here is the gear. There's the Therizinosaurus neck and just... Yeah, there you go. And then we have the Tyrant King. Well, this is going to be King. We have the Tyrant King himself, the T-Rex. The star of the movies. T-Rex used to be famous, and then T-Rex got old. Yeah, sorry guys. One sec. Yeah, that's going to be your pose. Yes, we are bringing this guy. Well, since this guy died, and now he's reversed back into a baby. So, I don't know, the Cyanotyranus is half of a Tyrannosaurus because it's got Tyrannus. Oh yeah. If you love Cutie, my mom actually got it for Christmas for me. So yes. I don't know where. She shouldn't tell me. But guys, if you always wanted someone to get da-da-da! It does so much awesome. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my god. The camera's going crazy. Dude, the camera's not standing. Ow. Ow, guys. I'm really stuck. Ah. Yes, guys. I do have the T-Rex Super Colossal. I can't believe it's getting shown on camera. Yes, I do have minis. Sorry, guys. The Super Colossal T-Rex. I don't know if we can be on camera. Sorry about all the destruction. Now, we're just gonna... Well, don't worry. He will be shown in one episode. Here, I'll move the camera so you can see him. There you go. I'm still alive. And the T-Rex got crushed. Whoa, T-Rex! T-Rex. Yeah, sorry guys. I know this video is going to be a bit bad. Showing my collection is going to be a bit hard. Because I do have lots of Jurassic stuff. And the Hammond Collection Metricamptosaurus. Yeah. A lot of these guys need standing, so. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys. You can still see the Super Colossal in the back. He is going to be in the back. Oh! The Osteraptor's claws crushed. Now all the small guys are gonna have to be at the front. Yes, guys. There will be 2 battles, I've already told you. First one off is Scorpius, but I don't know who else. Tell me down below in the comments. Down in the below in the show, and then you can tell me what battle I can do. Hey, I know what one I can do. I can do 2 that I don't show very often. Scorpius Rex versus Damage. Yes, I did name the new Carnotaurus. If you didn't know, see, it's harder to. Yeah, sorry that my camera can't so focus because I've got thousands of cracks on my iPad, so that's why it's all. I'm still here. Oh yeah, we can just put him over here. Oi! Yes, he's gonna have to move up. See that part? There. That's where it is. No, I'm not going down. Oh, you guys can't see the irritator. There you go. Oh, whoops. Okay. No! I thought for a second. We have the Triceratops. No, don't worry, guys. I told you 1,000 times. Wait, I'm gonna see if there's any minis in there for you guys. Oh yes, there is. Look, it's a mini Dinotrachotherizinosaurus. We put him. Maybe we should put him on top of Rexy. That'd be funny. roof of it. Let's just put the Triceratops. See the Oh, Therizinosaurus fell on the Power Raptor. Maybe Therizinosaurus can go on top of the tray. Yeah. Sorry about all this Destructosaurus. Hey, I don't have any Destructosaurus, but if you want me to get some Destructosaurus, tell me down below what ones you want. Yes. I'm not going to show my whole Jurassic collection because they're going to start blocking. So, I'm going to show the rest of my collection later in today's video. So, yes, there is part 2. There is part 2. Guys. Wait, guys, I'm just going to go get something. Make sure you love looking at the dinosaurs. Guys, I'm coming back as you can hear me. And I forgot the male raptor. Yes. If you haven't seen the first video where the male raptor is, make sure you watch this one first and then go check it out. We have the Cantrosaurus. Yes, I do not show herbivores much, so this year I will be showing herbivores, like the baby Brax. I don't know where he is at this point. Sorry guys, the cute Brachiosaurus might not be in this video. But if I can't find him, hey. Yeah, see? I told you. But guys, the rest of my collection. My collection is so big. I can't really fit everything in there. Because I've got an iPad as a camera. I don't have like a big camera. So, that might be it. No, don't worry. I've still got more there. And you know the Red Rex and all that mess is still there. I need to clean that up. And, yeah. I don't know where my Indominus and Brachy is at this point. But guys, I recovered this guy's name. And it was called Edaphosaurus. Sorry that I was saying it was a Dimetrodon. Yeah, I've got problems. So, I've recovered the name of this is actually called Edaphosaurus. I actually keep some of the small carnivores on one side. So, apparently, I'm going to have to move all this so I can do Scorpions versus Carnotaurus. And now I'm going to do Red Rex versus Indoraptor. Yes, the Indoraptor died. I told you a few videos ago. Go check my other videos out and make sure you subscribe. Don't worry, I'm not done. Sorry, guys. Yes, the T-Rex will be in one of the battles. So now we're just gonna move this to the side. Metricanthrosaurus. Yes, the carnivores can break the gate for all the small carnivores. So better beware. And make sure you get some Destructosaur sets, because I would really like to see your videos. And tell me what your channel is called, please. And tell me what your symbol is, because I only know dinosaurs right now in my life. Metricaptosaurus, get out! Now you're going in the T-Rex. Guys, sorry, but Metricaptosaurus can't fit, but I'm gonna try. I've had enough of you. Yeah! Da-da-da-da! Mattel! Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so the Metricaptosaurus will be there. UK Metricaptosaurus, yes. Yeah, we're gonna have to take them. But now it's time to show. Yes, the Dilophosaurus will not be in this video. I'm gonna try and show much as dinosaurs as I possibly can. This Carnotaurus is no ordinary Carnotaurus. This is Damage. Hey, yes, I did get this before Christmas. Yeah, I love that one. Damage is not a Carnotaurus that does not beat nothing up. But Damage is a light Carnotaurus. Guys, watch out! You're poisoned! Scorpius Rex! Sorry, guys. Guys, the Scorpius Rex is using you to climb, so last bit of his tail you're gonna see. Whoa, guys, the camera twisted to me. Whoa! Sorry, it's quiet. Guys, watch out. Guys, I'm trying to show much of my collection as I can to you guys, and some that I don't show very often, even in the old days. Yes, guys, my toy room has changed a lot. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it can move since... I'll tell. I think it was in there. Oh goodness, my toy room is in there. Yes, guys, if I did make videos in there, which I'm pretty sure I did. Yes, I used to have a big bucket behind the camera, as you could see, but I don't have it anymore because there's a whole bunch of toys that I don't play with. Guys, don't worry. Wait, you don't! Oh yeah, guys. Guys. Hang on, guys. Hang on. I just need to get a little smack. He's already got took it out. No, it's the end. I'm gonna do it. Now it's time to move on to the cooler battle. Hang on, guys. Well, the end wrap's actually coming. Yes, guys. Hey, guys. If you love my videos, make sure you like and subscribe because I would like over 100 subscribers a bit soon. So if you don't mind, can you comment me down below and subscribe? Yeah, this is how a bunch of people have stand. So now I'm going to try that way. Hey guys, if you're wondering something, my birthday is in October, which is in a while. Must be front of the camera. He's like, come on. See, that I literally got scratched, like. Yes, so now he's like scarred from the lion guard. So we are going to be naming this guy Blood Red because he's red. Why did Mattel have to make so many different T-Rex? Well, why did he have to make so many different Velociraptors? Well, that's just what Mattel does, so yes, that's what it is. Just what Mattel does for us. Yeah, hey guys, it's stuck, so I'm gonna have to pull him out. See you guys, bye!